daily tip. It's Sunday today and I happen to have the day off. I'm studying and I'm going to start doing meal prep. Now I know a lot of people talk about doing meal prep, and what they do is maybe on a Sunday or when they have a day off is they make food all for the whole week. So they might make a curry to last for 3 or 4 nights, or they might make a soup to last for 3 or 4 nights, or they might make some falafel rolls to last for 3 or 4 nights and then something else. What I like to do with my meal prep is vary it up. So what I'm going to do today, this morning, I actually got up early, but it wouldn't have mattered. I could have done this at 8 o'clock, and I soaked some mung dal, so they're split mung beans, and I'm going to make vegan omelette. And I soaked some brown rice, and I'm going to make a brown rice salad, and I soaked some cashews, and I'm going to make a Caesar dressing. Now I'll make enough omelette for us to have for tonight and for tomorrow, and I've actually got a lot in there because I'm making some for friends, and I've got a friend coming over tonight. And then I'll also make some smaller omelettes and put them in the freezer. So next week I've got another, I'll do something else on the Sunday, but then I've also got the omelettes that are in the freezer to have as another option. And so in a couple of days, I'm going to show you how my freezer is stocked so that you can see what I mean more clearly. And then the rice salad, there'll be enough for tonight, for lunch tomorrow, for dinner tomorrow. And the Caesar dressing, there'll be enough for the salad plus more, so I can make something else with that Caesar dressing. Now, maybe some of you know why I've soaked everything. So we talked about soaking nuts, so that's to get rid of the phytic acid on those. And it's the same with the grains. I'm actually studying at Deakin University at the moment in nutrition, and right now I'm learning about carbohydrates and resistant starch. So tomorrow I'll be back talking more about resistant starch and why it's good for you and how you can make the most of it. Because in cooking method we do lose the resistant starch, but there's something that we can do to bring it back and why that's important for us. So I'm soaking it to get rid of the phytic acid. So the phytic acid makes it very difficult for people to digest, and also resistant starch can be difficult to digest, but I'll talk about that tomorrow. So please watch this video, and I didn't tell you who I am. I'm Veet Karen from Veet's Vegan Cooking School, and watch this tomorrow as well. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and comment. And if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe. And if you're intrigued about making a vegan omelette out of these wonderful girls, I know people say bad boys, let's say good girls or wonderful girls, you can sign up to my online course, which is going to be launched on the 24th of November 2020, so that's coming up soon. And if you want to get the discount, then really do click on the link and subscribe to the newsletter so you don't miss out on the discount, because it's going to be cheap. All right, everyone, I'll see you tomorrow with more information on resistant starch. Bye.